Good morning, team. Hope everybody's doing well. It's been a while. Took a few days off during weather, so just walking up the drop slides. We're gonna get these going here in a second. All right, Peha's down there. He's at the egress. See, there's Peha right there. Here's the egress for the blue loop. All right. So the dispatch systems use a special key. Looks like that. Just like a amusement ride. Okay, let's see what we got here. Check all my numbers. See, there's a bunch of numbers in there. Got to make sure all the correct numbers are clear. Let's see. Yep. 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 All good to go. All right, so I'm gonna clear here. PJ at the bottom. Did you already clear egress? Hey, Peha, did you already clear egress?
No.
All right, hold on. Hold on. All right, go ahead and clear green. So if he clears it, yeah, there you go. So we're gonna do test drop. So we close the door. And then you have to hold these two at the same time. And you'll hear the door. Clear green. All right, doors back up. Let's go to yellow. All right, check yellow out. Keys on, clear. All right, let's take a look down there. Yeah. All right, let's close the door. And let's go to green go.
3, 2, 1.
Good drop. Clear yellow. And yellow's clear. All right. Did you already clear blue?
I just cleared it.
What about egress?
I have not cleared it.
All right, let's go ahead and do that one. All right, so because this there's 6 different sensors and a bunch of safeties involved in this attraction, the aqua loop. This is whitewater aqua loop. So you'll see down there, you see the steps here. So at the door, there's actually a key that goes into a box, and that makes it say that, hey, this is all clear. There's nobody in the trap, in the egress slot, so you're not going to have anybody hit the rider whenever they're getting past. So nobody can be in this. That's what the key is there for. It's a safety. So you're going to see him actually remove the key, and he's going to put it in the door, and the door will actually open. So now you can go up. He's going to go up and check that it's clear. And he's going to press the clear button. Okay. Now, what should happen now is as soon as he puts that key into the box, it's going to go ahead and clear it and put the door into, or open the door into operational mode. All right, we're good. We should have a 00. Yeah, we have a 00. That means that the slide is ready. I'd be ready at the photo eyes. I'll tell you when. All right, so we're gonna do a test drop on this one. Now this one's special.
Ready.
So the slide wants to think as soon as he makes the loop right there, as soon as he comes this way, because if he gets caught right here, he's in this part right there, he's not going to clear the slide. And so the attraction actually knows that, hey, there's somebody in the slide still. So what's going to happen is where PJ's at, he's going to show the sensors. Okay, and the sensors will read a rider. Go ahead. He's going to read the rider. Okay, all right. So now that the rider has been cleared, so the rider's in the run out, right? In the run out. That's how we test it. Once he's in the run out, then it's got to be cleared. So right now the door might be open, but it's going to give me an 88. Okay, you see it says 88. All right, so once he presses clear, it's going to go 00. So let's see it. Come on now. Okay. Did you clear blue? Oh, there it is. He got it. So now it's 00. Okay. So this slide, the tractions, they're all ready to go. So these are pneumatically actuated. Everything under here, under the hood. I'm going to do that in another video. I just don't have the time today, unfortunately. I'm low on staff, but we can show you a little bit down here. So you see that's what pulls the bar, and that's the door swinger right there. Okay, and there's a bar right here that holds it, and that gets pulled, and that's what drops the door. And the back wetter. There's the speakers up there, the holes for the speakers. So, because it says 1 or 3, 2, 1. It's pretty cool. All right, folks. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. Hope you're doing well. Should be a hot day. Hopefully the weather stays away. There's another different view. We haven't done this view yet, right? So, like I said, hope everybody's doing well. Take it easy. See you guys soon. Thanks.